Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf, and this is the new week, new starting of the crypto markets for the next 7 days. And in my last video I told you all that there are chances that this week the price can dump to the downside, and well, it is supposed to dump, and that's for sure, because a straight continuous pump cannot just go on and on. So what I think is that yes, there are chances that the dump can come, because obviously now the price is not in our hands or not in retailers, and it's in the institutions, and they are just buying and buying and buying. Retailers are just booking profits in greediness, and they are just buying, and the price is pumping like continuously towards the upside. I hope you know that. And in future most of the supply of the Bitcoin and major cryptos will be in the hand of big players only, and they will decide the price. And so yeah, this is it. So in this video I will just show you my quick analysis on some cryptos as well, so because it's just the same video. And because last video I posted on Saturday and today is Monday, so not much any updates, because as there was weekend also. So let's get straight to the point. This is the Bitcoin's price right here, and I made a video, and when I was making a video, this red candle right here was dumping quite hardly till here, and I wanted to tell you all on my Twitter after this candle closed that there are chances that either the price will go down or not, because as you can clearly see, the price did reverse from here. It has a good amount of volume, but it got reversed from here. And also please ignore the background noise as I am outside recording this video. It's better to just focus on the knowledge. Currently the price of Bitcoin is not facing any much resistance. As you can clearly see, it is in a nowhere's land, because the main level was at $48,000, and then next main level is at $56,000 to $60,000. This whole zone is a very important resistance. Currently there is not much sellers here, and obviously the price is pumping in a straight line towards the upside also. If I move to the weekly time frame, you can clearly see that the next level of important resistance is at this zone right here, important zone, and after that the all-time high resistance is the last resistance for the Bitcoin price, and then we can see a new all-time high for Bitcoin, which is a very good thing obviously, but bad also. And comment down below if you want to know that why it is bad for the Bitcoin price to form a new all-time high, and I'll make a detailed video on it definitely. So this whole zone ranges from 60,000 approx, $58,000 to $60,000 zone. So this is also a very important zone. Let's see what happens, because currently the price of Bitcoin is just pumping like crazy. You can clearly see back-to-back green candles like this. Not a perfect correction also to the downside. So yeah, let's see what happens here. In my last video I also informed you guys that if the price of Ethereum comes down at this level, then I will definitely go long. Well, it did in fact came exactly at this level and got a reversal to the upside. I have not changed this whole zone at all, but obviously I missed this move because it's a swing trade and I was busy at the moment and didn't knew this. What I was expecting is that this week the price of crypto can dump to the downside, but I don't think so that it will happen now. So it's better to not trade right now in any crypto or jump in any long or short right now, because you can make some quick gains, but obviously it's just not good and not how trading works. Better to wait for the next level of resistance and support for the Ethereum or Bitcoin or any other crypto right there. And right now after this pump towards the upside, what I can see is that the next level of resistance is all the way up till 3,300 and to 3,500. Let's see what happens, but obviously I missed this move on Ethereum, and it's okay. It's not important to capture every in any FOMO or in greediness. If you are able to capture, then it's good, and not, then better not to enter in FOMO. And before wrapping up this video, this is just a quick my trade updates, and you can clearly see first I will notify you all that it is a demo account, yes, because I don't have currently funds, and I always say that, and it's not a shame in me saying that, but I always trade demo as a real account only. So in future I will definitely trade in real account when I have some real funds to trade with. So this is my Sand USD trade that I took all in front of you guys on my Twitter right now in profits. And next is the Dogecoin trade, and that also I made a video about it, and detailed video, and also informed you guys on my Twitter. And following the Litecoin trade right here, that also I informed you all on my Twitter while entering. And the last is the stellar trade right here, XLM USDT. Same detailed video I made, full logic, and you all can watch these videos also, that where I was entering or what was my analysis. It's better to gain some knowledge, because obviously now you can't enter, or that's not the right time to enter, but it's better to just gain some knowledge, and in future you can do your own analysis as well, and not depend on any content creator like me or any other. Well, I was bearish on crypto, little bearish, or just a correction, small correction towards the downside this week. Let's see what happens. Right now I'm not seeing any chances of happening, and I mean, yeah, let's see. And also let me show you the chart that is in the thumbnail. Right here is the world coins chart. Yes, this crypto is world coin, and the co-founder of ChatGPT, Sam Altman, is the, I would say, I don't know much, maybe he's playing a big role in this project right here. What basically this project does is just scan people's eye and just steal their data. Yeah, that's just a short form of what they are doing. You can read it on internet if you want to hear some good news about this project. So you can clearly see how crazy this pumped. Not only this, but major AI coins also pumped towards the upside very heavily. You can clearly see after this breakout, price of gold coin has pumped like crazy, 160% returns right there. So yeah, in future maybe I'll give some trade updates on these small altcoins also. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand each and every update right there. And yeah, this is it. If you want to create account on Bybit, you can do that. Link is in the description and in the comments. What you can get on Bybit is that you can trade on Bybit and buy crypto, and can get a $30,000 gift too. So yeah, this is it. Do follow me on my Twitter, or you will miss a lot of trade updates there and knowledgeable content. See you guys next time.